This is the Bitcoin 5. 5 signals from the last 24 hours that matter for Bitcoin, markets, and the bigger monetary story. First, the price check. Bitcoin is trading around $62,600. Over the past 4 days, price is almost flat, up by less than a quarter of 1%. But the 4-week picture is more serious. Bitcoin is down 22.4% since mid-May, falling from above $80,000 as capital rotates and macro uncertainty weighs on risk assets. The first story is Strategy, still the corporate treasury name to watch. Michael Saylor's company acquired 1,550 Bitcoin for $101 million, taking total holdings to 845,256 Bitcoin. The average purchase price was around $65,200 per coin. More importantly, Strategy also raised its cash reserve by $100 million, bringing total cash to $1 billion. That gives the company flexibility to keep buying through market weakness. The second story is regulation. The Clarity Act has now been added to the Senate legislative calendar, putting it in position for a possible full Senate vote as the July the 4th target approaches. The administration has said it wants the bill passed by Independence Day, and Senator Cynthia Lummis is pressing the point publicly. For Bitcoin and crypto markets, the important signal is not just the date. It is that policy clarity is moving from committee debate toward a real legislative test. The third story returns to Strategy, this time through its preferred equity structure. Shareholders approved a change to the STRC dividend schedule, moving payments from monthly to semi-monthly. The first record date is June the 30th, with the first payment scheduled for July the 15th. This is a technical change, but it matters because Strategy is building a more complex capital machine around its Bitcoin treasury. Investors are not just watching the coins anymore, they are watching the financing structure around them. The fourth story is Ethereum pressure. Ethereum is down 68% from its August 2025 peak of around $4,950 and is now around $1,590. It has also broken below its weekly 200-day moving average near $2,470. Analysts are watching the $1,500 level closely. If it holds, some see a possible repeat of June 2022 when the Ethereum low near $880 became a major cycle bottom. The fifth story is a reminder of why security still matters. Humanity Protocol's token fell 90% in just 12 hours, wiping more than $1 billion from market value after previously surging 339%. The crash followed a security breach that drained more than $31 million from wallets linked to the app. The attacker swapped stolen H tokens into Ethereum, creating severe sell pressure. For Bitcoin, the contrast is clear. Every collapse elsewhere reminds the market why secure, reliable settlement matters. That is today's Bitcoin 5. The daily moves matter, but the larger signal is still the same. Bitcoin is becoming harder to ignore inside the global financial system. The world is changing faster than most people realise. If you want to understand where money, technology, and society are heading next, subscribe and follow the transition in real time. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial advice, investment advice, or a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold Bitcoin or any other asset. Crypto assets are volatile and high risk. You could lose all of the money you invest. Always do your own research, consider your personal financial situation, and speak to a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.